Dear students, in this video we are going to see another important question in the subject income tax. The question is, how will you determine the residential status of an individual? It is important part B or part C question. Residential status of an individual. First of all, we have to find out whether an individual is a resident or non-resident. Once we found that an individual is a resident, we go for further classification whether he is a resident and ordinary resident or resident but not ordinary resident. So we can able to find out these only with the help of certain condition. To find out whether the person is a resident or non-resident, we go with basic condition. Whether to find out whether the person is ordinary or but not ordinary, we go for additional condition. They need to satisfy any one basic condition to become a resident. If none of the basic condition are satisfied, he can be called as non-resident. Then the moment we found a person is a resident, we go for resident and ordinary resident, resident but not ordinary resident. This can be find out with the help of additional condition. To get the condition as resident but not ordinary resident, you should satisfy both the additional condition. Here anyone or none of the additional condition. So now we need to know what are the basic conditions. The basic condition is first one, 182 days during the relevant previous year. Here the previous year is 1/4/2023 to 31/3/2024. So a person should be 182 days during this period, 1/4/2023 to 31/3/2024. In this year, a person should be in 182 days. This is the first basic condition. Then the second basic condition is so a person should be in 60 days during the relevant previous year and 365 days during the 4 precedings previous year. That is from 1/4/2023 to 31/3/24. This is the previous year. Here you should be in 60 days and 2019 to 31/3 23. That is 19 to 20, 20 to 21, 21 to 22, 22 to 23. This is 4 preceding previous year. Here E must be 365 days. This is the basic condition. A person should satisfy any one basic condition to get the status of resident. If it doesn't satisfy both the basic condition, he will be called as non-resident. Then, if a person satisfies any one of the basic condition, we come to the conclusion that he is a resident. Now, we go with whether the person is ordinary resident or but not ordinary resident. For that, we need to go through additional condition. The additional condition is first one, 10 years. That is 2 years out of 10 preceding previous year. That is from 1/4/2013 to 31/3/2023. In this period, it should be in 2 years in India. 2 years should be in India. That is 2013 to 14, 14 to 15, 15 to 16, 16 to 17, 17 to 18, 18 to 19, 19 to 20, 20 to 21, 21 to 22, 22 to 23. The first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, seventh year, eighth year, ninth year, 10th year. That is from 1/4/2013 to 31/3/2023. Out of 10 year, he should be in India for 2 years. So 2 years out of 10 preceding previous year. Then second additional condition is 730 days out of 7 preceding previous year. So that means ignore this 3. So from 1/4/2016 to 31/3/2023. This is 7 year. In this period, you should be in 730 days. Now you have to know the concept of the difference between additional condition 1 and additional condition 2. The additional condition 1 is a 2 year out of 10 preceding previous year. Additional condition 2 is 730 days out of 7 preceding previous year. Here 7 is very important, here 10 is very important. Then here also 2 year 730 days. It look like a same, but the provision is different. Here if a person is more than 180 days in a particular year, it can be counted, but here a person should be in India for full days. For example, here a person stays in 2016 to 17, he stay 30 days. In 2017 to 18, he stay 55 days. These and all we will take into consideration. But the same thing, if you come to the first condition, 16 to 17, if we stay 30 days, we should not consider. So that is why 3 more additional years given to satisfy additional basic condition. A person should be in India more than 182 days should be taken as 1 year. Here 10 days, 15 days, 1 day, 40 days, everything is considered. So 730 days out of 7 preceding previous year is given. That is the difference between provision of additional condition 1 and 2. That's it. Now In short, we come to the conclusion that a resident so basic condition first one 1/4/2023 to 31/3/2024. In that E should be 182 days. If a person unable to satisfy the first basic condition, he can go for second one here 1/4/2023 to 31/3/2024. Here he should be in India for 60 days plus 1/4/2019 to 31/3/2023. For preceding year he should be in India for 365 days. That's it. A person should satisfy any one basic condition, that he get a status of resident. Once we found a person is resident, we go for ordinary or not ordinary. For ordinary, a person should satisfy both the additional conditions. Here any one or none of the additional conditions. Now the additional condition is first one 2 years out of 10 preceding previous year, that is from 1/4/2013 to 31/3/2023. Here it should be 2 years. It should be 2 years. Then next one, second one is 730 days out of 7 preceding previous year, that is 1/4/2016 to 31/3/2023. It should be 730 days. This is the important part B question or part C question from the semester examination point of view. Thank you.